Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In today's episode, we will be learning how to change language on Paxful. To change your language on the Paxful account, first of all, go ahead and open your Paxful app or visit the paxful.com website. Go ahead and log into your account like you normally do, and once you're inside the home page, go ahead and look for the human icon located at the top left corner. Once you get to the account section, tap on Language. Choose your preferred language from the drop-down menu, and within a few seconds, you will be able to change your display language on Paxful. The platform supports multiple languages, making it accessible for a broader audience. You can always come back to this account interface and tap on the language option and choose the language of your preference, and there you have it. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss out on another update from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.